That was better.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. I can just
Guys,
start again.
this is Allie.
Hi. Alright, there you go.
Hey guys, it's me Sophia, and today we're gonna be doing a tour of the Disney Wonder. So let's get started.
You can edit in some sparkles there.
I don't know how to do that.
No. Okay.
Oh shit, Allie's got you beat.
Oh dear.
There's people cleaning, so do you want to point at them?
Oh right, yeah. Proof that someone's cleaning. And also the sign
Hi.
that someone's cleaning.
Hi.
I'm not going to put them
Where'd
on
you
film.
get those bands from?
Oh, it's from the edge thing.
I'm going to stop filming now.
Here's Triton's. This is one of the restaurants.
You can't go in it. It's late.
No. I just don't try and go in. It's quite an interesting restaurant.
This is the Promenade Lounge.
That we're not in
We
yet.
come in here a lot. It's pretty fun.
Okay.
Give them an overview.
Mmm. How homely.
Isn't it?
This is going well.
I would not try to do that.
Don't try and do it.
Now that we've gotten that part. This is Tiana's place. This is also a dinner place. We ate here yesterday.
No, tomorrow as well.
This is, as Allie would say, this is the Woo,
This is the loo.
because
The loo.
British.
Yeah.
Have you ever been in here?
It's the ladies. I'm not gonna go
Oh,
in
at
there.
Morse's they have a joint.
Well, this is the
Men
men's.
and men and
No, you
girls.
can't go. That's true.
Actually, girl cleaning.
Okay.
These are the elevators.
Whoa! How do they work?
Like this. Watch.
Holy smokes! Now
We're
what
gonna go
happens?
upstairs.
They work?
Wow!
Wow.
Whoa! What are you
I
doing?
just realized this is gonna take a while.
This is just a box. What are we doing in here?
We're gonna go upstairs.
Whoa!
Because.
That's insane. Oh, the doors are closing. Is that right?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
Good.
Okay.
Oh, that was easy. Did you take an elevator up one flight of stairs?
Yeah.
Why didn't you walk it?
Hello.
Hi. We're filming a YouTube video.
We're having a whale of a time.
This is Animator's palette. This is like so boring, I feel like.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this lovely closed door.
No one's alive right now. They're all dead.
You should come back to these places when they're open, though.
This is the bathroom. I'm just gonna take a shit.
Okay. Good.
These are the photos.
Right.
Hey! Hey, Adam!
Oh.
Do you want to be in my YouTube video?
Are you
Yeah.
aged 18 or over?
What? He's 50.
Are you?
Just say you're 18.
He's
I mean, he's
50.
18.
We can have your voice, but we can't have your face. No.
Oh my god, Connor, shit.
It's all for the YT.
For fun.
Yeah, it's just
Look,
no
That's
reason.
photos of
No
my
reason.
family.
No
Cool.
Oh,
Oh, this one's cool. Look at this one.
you sure are.
And then this one's
Oh.
good. Not this one. This one.
I can't see you, but that's fine.
I can. Okay, good. That's enough of that. Okay, get off it. Get off. Get off. Okay.
Well done.
This is the art gallery.
Oh, really?
Welcome to the art gallery. Actually, no, this is the art gallery. This is the
Oh.
art gallery. This is the art gallery.
Look, you even says it.
And here, they take your portrait. But that's too fucking expensive for me. Jesus Christ. These are some cool paintings. This one's pretty cool because it's like of an actual.
Do you know what it's of?
Well,
The girl
no,
with the pearl earring.
I know because that's an actual painting.
Yeah.
They did it with they.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the D Lounge. They do a bunch
Which
of.
lounge?
We met in the D Lounge.
We did.
That's how we met.
In those
the D
chairs,
Lounge.
right there.
Yeah, we met from the feud. Good time.
Yes, it was the
Good
feud.
time. Hi.
What's up?
You guys want to be in a YouTube video?
Hey, Sophia, I have an idea.
What?
You guys are filming around the Disney ship, right?
Yeah.
Storyboards of the cartoons.
Yeah, yeah.
Name
They
the
said they
episode
wanted
and
to
the
be in the
year.
video, but they walked away.
You have more confidence
You know,
than
I
I've
have
ever
like a bit
had.
of filming experience myself.
Do you?
Yeah, I did
What
a
have you
film
been-
camp with Disney World and New York Film Academy.
Oh wow,
This
Actually,
is the D lounge again. And yeah, we already passed that.
that's actually really cool.
Big D lounge.
I just
Which lounge? The video.
hi,
That's not how you do things.
bye.
You're so strange.
and then in the
I love it.
friends here that I-
Go outside.
Oh, do you want to go outside? Would you like to go outside, Allie?
You should do a poll up in the top right hand corner where they want to go outside. Yeah, I'll be going
Okay,
outside.
want to know a fun fact? You know the D Lounge back then actually used to be called Studio C?
You
didn't.
just recorded him and he's not.
That's
I'm
that's
okay
a
with
fun
that.
fact.
I'm okay if he does.
Okay, wait, what? What was your fact?
Is that before the D Lounge was D Lounge back then, it was actually called Studio C.
Wow.
SEA, not.
He's been on 100%.
Yeah, he's been
15.
On like, he's been on 15. Only
100.
been on 2. Okay. Holy shit, it's cold out
How's
here.
the college?
Oh, it's raining. That's why. No, we're not going out here.
All right.
This is the 5th floor. And we didn't show the first or the second because I don't even know what's on
You
there.
played the most interesting game of Truth or
I think it's just rooms.
Okay.
This? Oh wait, this is rooms too. Or is it?
No, it's not.
It's like all time I was not expecting
is
to
a
be like a
lobby.
time like this.
They're cleaning right now.
Because I was not-
Oh, why was there
my mom-
confetti?
Like, this is such an unforgettable cruise, my mom.
that.
I've seen that every time. Like,
Anyway,
and this one.
this is the Oceaneer Lab. I've never been in there before. I don't know what's in there.
It's like, I think my mom.
Do you know what that? Do you know what the age is?
I don't know the ages for this because they have
It's
a called.
the kids'
They have the
one.
Oceaneer Lab. They have Edge and then they have Vibe, and
What are the rough ages?
Vibe's
do
kind
you
of gay
think?
anyway.
What?
Because I'm not even supposed to be in Vibe because I only got my dad to sign something so I can be in it.
I was the same way.
Because it's 14 to 17,
I was the same
Oh.
way. It was,
but I'm 13.
I know they did the same thing for me when I was 13.
It's not fun anyway. They're just. I keep getting letters on my door that are like, "Why aren't you coming to Vibe?" And I.
You
don't.
did.
Oh, that's
You did.
why.
All,
Okay, down here. What's down here? I don't know.
Wait, you're on this floor?
What's down there? Do you know what's down there?
no.
Staterooms.
Okay, never mind.
All right.
Tours
yeah.
all over the
I
place.
feel like we've gotten to nothing interesting.
Hey,
Oh my
you're
God.
making it interesting, so it's fine.
Wait, where
We've gotten from the 3rd to the 5th.
But we've done
Why
nothing.
are you showing the
to
floor? Show my beautiful face.
The children.
Gets to like
Hi.
not up top.
You guys again.
Yeah, that's just
Okay, so this is a jail where adults drop off their children
not children.
so they can go
infants.
drink at the bar. At any bar? No, it's not.
Not really.
It's a small world.
It's a small world.
Not really. It's also
It's a small.
you have to go. They have to go like to one of the fine dining restaurants like Power or something like that. Justin, back then, like
Oh.
I didn't go to the nursery, but I did have to go to the club. I didn't have checkout privileges.
This is the theater. The theater.
What the?
Is this a movie theater?
Yes.
I've
Yeah.
never even
It's
been
like
in
a
here because I've
stage.
never seen a
It's like
movie.
a stage.
And I'm gonna go see a movie tomorrow.
You're gonna see Christopher Robin.
I am gonna see Christopher Robin.
What's this?
This is the
A
Buena
relevant poster.
Buena Vista Theater.
Buena Vista. Close, close enough.
Wow, I'm tall.
Oh, this is my mom, by the way.
Hello.
This is Max.
I'm
and that's
Max.
Sophia.
Hi.
You can edit it, right?
Okay, we are in the elevator. The elevator. We're skipping 7, 8, and 8 because
6, 7,
6, 7, and 8 because that's just state
Those
rooms.
floors are just.
Our floor is number 8.
Hey, Sophia.
Yeah,
Real quick, in case I don't see you tomorrow, do you have Instagram?
I do.
I'm gonna turn.
Okay, my Instagram is Sophia PH Y 5505.
Right here?
Gosh.
Yes!
You better go and follow her.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm following
Okay.
him too.
That's
Angela.
We're
why
on the
she
9th
said
floor,
it.
so this is where I eat breakfast.
Alright, see y'all.
You saw me in my giraffe
Bye,
onesie.
mate.
I'm not gonna make fun of you for it. I have more embarrassing things than that. Alright, see y'all.
Cabanas.
Cabana Zunana.
I would show you in there, but it's.
You
Not
left
open.
your lunch up in Cabana.
I'll show you tomorrow. I'll
Zunana.
show you tomorrow morning because you have to wash your hands
You
because you're
took
like
me
really.
back to East
I've
Atlanta,
never washed my hands
Cabana.
before when there's.
You've never done it. I've done it like a
You
million
are
times.
filthy.
I'm
Look at
filthy.
this disgusting. Too lazy to open.
I
the
wash
door.
whenever I want.
It's really cold out here.
It's just windy, I think.
It's actually really loud out here. This is where the pool is.
Oh,
I don't
the
go in it
lighting
because I
is
guess
great.
little. I don't go in this pool because little kids probably piss and shit in there.
Is it?
Edit it.
This is Daisy's lights. They usually have like fruit and stuff and sandwiches.
Yeah, why didn't you do this in the day?
Because
Isn't it
there would be
people?
so many people.
It's
dude.
so much background noise, it's ridiculous.
Yeah,
Unless
it
you
would
had
be
a
so
mic
loud.
with you, it would be.
I have a mic at home, but I didn't bring it.
Yeah, I have a mic too.
Wow, you're cool, Ali. Go
Thanks.
subscribe to him. Get him.
He has a mic and everything.
What's your channel? It's AI.
Yeah.
AI.
Good luck finding it.
Can we just get? I should have gone on the water slide today because it was actually.
You should have done, yeah.
Get food. Why can't we?
You can get an ice cream if you want.
I always get chicken. I always get chicken strips here, or chicken tenders.
Do you know what? The fish burger's really good.
I always
Oh,
get
yeah?
the veggie
Yeah.
burger
I get chicken tenders, and the girl knows
No
me.
one
Like she
cares.
knows my order now, so that's cool.
with fries.
She knows my
They
order.
know your order.
Okay, that's enough.
Okie doke.
This is where the water slide is. That's why. No, I think it's because they're cleaning.
No one can hear you. You're looking the other way. What are you doing?
That's the. Okay, I'll reach
There's
the
gonna be
volume
so
up
much
or
wind on this bit of video.
Okay, well that sucks.
We'll just voice over it.
It's gonna sound gay. Doing this. Wait, is it actually 2 in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. These are the sodas. Actually, that sounds good.
Thirsty, dude.
Let's go for a. Yes, right. That's my favorite soda. Did you know that? That's a fun fact.
My favorite soda is water.
Cheers.
Oh.
Do you not have cheers in your country?
You gotta. Cheers.
Fucking hell.
I swear to fucking God. If I look back at this,
Yeah, oh yeah, cheers.
if I look back at this footage and it's shit, I'm gonna freaking murder you.
It depends what you mean by shit.
It's kind of fun to do the impossible.
I've thought that.
It's kind of fun to do the impossible.
Hey, look.
Oh, it's on your cup. I'm retarded.
Okay, let's
Oh,
go.
it's on my.
I feel like I'm screaming. Okay, let's go this way,
Walt
buddy boy.
Disney.
Ooh, this is like the 5th drink I've spilled on this jacket today.